STEAM is a very important subject because although it is not one of the academic subjects, it teaches students to learn about various areas that are interconnected: science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. This subject is very important because it pushes students to develop skills that are very important out there in the working market or the working environment. Some of them can be, for example, problem solving. It also pushes them to learn how to use tools in different ways, in an efficient way. Also to work in collaborative learning, because they have to work as teams or in groups in order to develop projects. The idea of this subject is to allow them to solve problems that would actually have to be faced in real life. STEAM is also very important because it is focused and based on the scientific process and the engineering process. Both are very important for both educational and professional life.
Basically what we teach is the engineering design process, which consists on different steps. First, we have a problem, then students have to imagine a possible solution, then they draw it, what we call a 2D model, then they have to actually create the models, and we test the models. If they work, they will be perfect because that will be the solution for the first problem we got. And if it doesn't work, we have to go back, start again, modify, change, and improve the things we created.
All of these little elements are allowing them to be much more competitive and to learn how to use their knowledge not only in an academic way, but also in a practical way.
For example, here we can see that our students had a problem. It was to build a bridge. For this purpose, they use an application, a cell phone app. It's called Bridge Simulator. And they had to try about 50 times to get to the design. And they use conventional materials like sticks, cardboard, and paints to create this model. It's a 3D model. What is important about this app is that it uses designs that have been built and created by real engineers. So our students learn how triangles, for example, can hold the weight of a car, actually like a truck, and it helps them a lot to develop their creativity and imagination.
Another important aspect of STEAM is the part of technology. Technology is an important aspect because it shows the students how to connect the digital world to the physical world. The students will do this through projects that will include learning basic aspects of coding and robotic skills, and then they can take these skills and apply them to create their own projects. For example, there are instruments like a mini robot that can teach the students how a robot works through a sequence of colors that will, as they will create the sequence of colors, that they can learn that will be understood by the robot to go fast, to make U-turns, to slow down, or to change colors within the instrument. These will later translate into concepts of written code where the students can try to create their own projects.
Many of these students actually enjoy doing these projects a lot because it allows them to let their minds flow, let their ideas create new projects.
Hi, I'm Raquel Corrales and I'm from 8th grade, and I like STEM because we learn to work in groups. We use our imagination to create and design the projects.
I'm going to show you here some areas in this STEM lab. For example, we have two computers here for our students to investigate a little bit about the projects they are going to make. Also, we have here something that is really important, the tables. These type of tables are necessary for them to learn to work as a team so they can face each other. That's really important. Then, in this area of the class, we have some of the tools our students use for making their projects. For example, here we have paint, gloves, caps, glue, paper bags, tape, so students can come here and take some of the materials they need.
Hi, my name is Catalina Ramos and I like STEAM because we learn how to do projects, we create our own things. We have a lot of materials here in the STEAM lab and it's very cool to use our creativity.
The idea, hopefully, is that students will also learn how to use tools efficiently, not only technological tools, but also conventional tools, in order to apply them for simple things, as solving a problem at home, or even a much more complex level, taking it into a research project. The idea for us is to develop all of these little skills for our students so they can become much more complete professionals later on when they're older.
STEAM integrates all the 21st century skills for the students and it prepares them for the working world of the future. It's for jobs that may not even exist today, and this is done in a fun and creative way for the students.